Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with first of all, we go to SMCI. Okay, very first thing. So this will be the first trade we'll be closing because we don't have the share. The number of put were assigned. We have the covered call, which will be called away on 6th of February. So these share will be called away, and then we have the short put recovery. So the first trade will be coming out SMCI. Second trade will be coming out on NEO. The NEO will start bouncing exactly 438 bottom, and now the stock will bounce. The company has turned profitable, so there is a future ahead. So now the company will moving forward. We are looking for $7.02. We have a long synthetic on this one. Will not be closing the trade. We'll let it go. So $5 put, we'll let it go. Worthless, and $5 call, let it print all the way to the $7. So we are not running with the small profit out of this. So we have booked the profit multiple times, but we will hold it this time. Okay. Other stock, we are looking at HIMS. Nice bounce today. Right now, trading at $4 jump. After this, another agreement with the NVO again. I don't know why they created all the drama. First, if they have to go and sit back in the lap of NVO, then why the hell they have crashed their company completely? What I'm looking at the price right continue increasing. At the minimum, we are looking at 200 EMA right here, which is around 42 area. From current price, which is 27 to 42, I will not be selling any call. Right after the 42, I will start selling the call. Okay, and all the way to the 52, we'll be selling the call against the share, the covered call, I mean. Okay, so until 40, 41, we will not touch anything. We'll continue holding HIMS. Right at 40.99, equal high of this point, we will start selling the call, and then all the way bi-weekly call. Once the price goes to 52, we'll be out of all the trade. Till then, we are holding this one. Okay, now very interesting. First of all, S&P 500, where we see the market. We clearly are being mentioned like 1,000 times, not one time. Every single day I was mentioning there is no juice left in the market when we had this area. Right from this candle, 28th of October, the market was struggling exactly within $7 to $8. And at least 1,000 times I mentioned there is no juice in the market in this area. If this is what the behavior of market in 3 months, means there was no juice. The market has to go through a solid correction. S&P 500 as well, nothing will stop it. Sooner or later, it has to go to 650 area minimum. Okay, this price has to come. Whether it happens tomorrow or it happens in 3 weeks or it happens in 2 months, the price has to go to 650 minimum to minimum. That's a minimum. Okay, repetition of this structure right from here. This one, okay, has to come from here. I'm looking to short S&P 500 on every recovery. Make sure it doesn't matter. Every single time S&P 500 recover, we will be a short seller. There is only way to survive in 2026 is short sell the markets. Do not buy anything. I've said at least 1,000 times, do not buy anything. Buying time is over. If you want to buy, make sure you only average out and try to exit one position by one position. That's the only buying. Do not buy new position. Do not enter a new position that, oh, I'll buy this and this will go up. Okay. Try to exit your existing position. Plan for those that, okay, I'll exit this position, that money and the profit will go to the another position. And I'll sell the call on that one or married put, whatever, and I'll come out of that position. Plan, trade by trade, exit. Okay. So what we are looking on S&P 500, we are looking for a little bit of recovery right in this area, around 687, 688 area right here. So today, maximum upside, I'm looking at 688.66. That's the upside right here. We already hit the bottom. So this is the max upside, 688.86. So this area, equal high of this point. You need to pay close attention. Once we come this area, we'll be looking for the short entry, 689.72 area. Okay, right equal of this point. Okay. And why the price will come down? There is a reason for price to come up. If you draw the trend line right from here, right here, what is happening? All right, we are back. Let's say, I hope, I don't know if people left because there was a system error. All right, here we are. So back. Sorry for the trouble. There was some issue. I don't know what the hell just happened and everything went freeze. All right. So what we are looking at, where is the liquidity building up now when we have the price down? So there will be a liquidity right in this area, right here. The price will go one more time upside before the next sell-off. Exactly this lower high, lower low pattern will be repeated, but once we'll have an internal demand, again the price will continue dropping. So right now, all the lower liquidity has been taken. The liquidity is sitting on the upside, 691, 692 area. There is a lot of buy-side liquidity. They will be kicked out soon. Okay, so the market will push. Today, we are looking at Amazon. This stock, very, very important. That's what holding the market by the neck today. Stock is bullish. I would expect a price jump, approximately 15 to 12 to $15 jump in Amazon. I have a ITM spread on this one. If you are looking to trade earning, please make sure you are only doing the arbitrage trade. Do not try to encash $15. There is a good ITM, deep ITM call spread. Okay, you can make about 20 to 30% tomorrow expiry, Friday expiry. Okay, that's enough money, 15 to 20% overnight. Do ITM spread arbitrage trade only. Okay, don't try to get into like buying the share or buying the put or buying the call for upside breakout. Just do ITM arbitrage. What I have the trade is for 6th of February expiry, 205, 215. That will give us approximately about 28% return overnight. And I'll be quite happy with this kind of market. If you make 28% overnight, you should be like jumping all over the place. No volume here. What's going on with the volume? Can you hear me now? Can anyone confirm? Can you hear me? If you can type in a message, like in a chat on the right-hand side. Okay, all good. All right. So what we are looking at on the Amazon, the market is today is the earning of Amazon, and the market is holding this area clearly. Okay. So make sure Amazon ITM spread only. ITM spread, you can take as big trade as you can. It doesn't matter. You don't need one contract. You can take 30 contract. You can 50 contract. They both will settle tomorrow. Okay. Even if the price drops, still you will make money. What my arbitrage is 205 and 215 call. What will happen with 200 to 205 and 15 call? Let's say right now the price is trading at 232. So even if the price drops $17 right here, okay, I'll show you what will happen. Not on this one. Not wave count, unusual way. Arbitrage trade, how do you make money? What will happen if I go to Amazon right here? Okay, you can also do the straddle calculation, 0.85%. We know that we have done this calculation 100 times. What we are looking at? We are looking at 7% drop. Okay, sorry, 7% drop, which is $17. So looking at the current price, which is okay, let's try. There has been some update going on in the background. We have completely messed up today. Okay, so we were looking on the Amazon stock. I hope it will work. I've restarted my system. So, all right. Bloody hell. When you need the system the most, that day you will have a problem. It's very common issues. Okay. So here we go. What we are looking at, 228 current price. Yeah, thanks for confirming. All right, so 228 the confirmed price. We will have a $15 to $17 fluctuation. What you need to do on Amazon, you can make some money no matter where the price goes up, price goes down. It does not matter where the hell the price will go. Even if the stock crashed by $15, you can still make 20%. I have no idea what the hell is going on. Every single time, it like few minutes, and then the system keep crashing again and again. All right. So we were on Amazon. Let's see if it works. Otherwise, then we'll have to go to Discord. This is the last try because we can't keep going on like this one. Every time restarting. All right. I'll try to go a little bit slow, not to move my system a lot left and right. So if it works, we are good. All right. So what we are looking at, we are looking for an ITM arbitrage on Amazon. That's the only trade we'll be taking. Moving forward to BMNR, we have not yet averaged out our position. However, I think this is the time that we should be start looking for, because we have this trend reversal right here. As soon as we have the T-mark cross, EMA crosses, like these EMA cross right here in this area, so the price goes back to 20 area, we'll be start looking to shorting some put on BMNR as well, because this is the time we short some put. Market is reaching to that level. So BMNR position holder will be shorting equal number of put as we have the number of share. If you have 1,000 share, we are looking to short 10 put for, let's say, $15 put right here for a long dated for October, November. Okay, so that you collect enough premium from that one. Okay, moving forward to bull, nothing, no action here. Don't do anything. Do not buy more. Do not trade anything. Just wait for the recovery on this one. These will recover along with the Bitcoin. Moving forward to coin. This stock highly manipulated, highly oversold. It has never been oversold this much in last 6 years. Completely manipulation going on right now in the market, especially the crypto area. And what's going on in the crypto area, a lot of people are confused. So you need to understand what's going on. MicroStrategy has the largest Bitcoin holding in the world, and now everyone is behind MicroStrategy, be it JP Morgan, be it BlackRock, be it other companies, State Street, everything. They want to offer Bitcoin related product. Everyone knows the Bitcoin will go to millions of dollars in future. So what they are trying to do, they crash the Bitcoin, kick the retail investor out so that they stop trading, volume dry up, they scoop up the entire Bitcoin supply, and then they will pump the Bitcoin like hell. The retail investors, individual, will never own Bitcoin. Bitcoin will become institutional money. They will own everything, and they will offer you the product against the Bitcoin. So if you want to own a piece of Bitcoin, buy the ETF in my company. And that's what they are planning. So what will happen? They will reroute the entire financial system through their ETF if you want to have a Bitcoin. And and that's what's going on. It's this pre-planned, orchestrated move by the big institution, especially JP Morgan, Binance, BlackRock. These all people are involved in this. It's not happening. It's not a random sell-off like Bitcoin. This kind of dropping from 126 to 68 is not random. It's not a sell-off. It's 100% orchestrated move. And the idea is, as you see, every single day these companies keep filing new ETF, new offering for the Bitcoin. These piece of shit want to have as many as Bitcoin and then offer the public, hey, you go and buy IBIT, you go and buy GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, So that's the whole idea. They are trying to consolidate the entire crypto through their account. Very similar business to the credit card company. You still spend the same money in the shopping, but you spend through the credit card company. And that's what the business model they are approaching here. They want you to own Bitcoin, but they want to own the Bitcoin through their ETF. And that's why they will scoop up the entire Bitcoin supply at the bottom. And then people end up buying IBIT, GBTC, BITO, BTC.X, and all this. And that's what the manipulation is going on in the market right now. I don't know how many people will go to jail. Most likely none, because that's how corrupt the world we live in. Practically thousands of corporates need to go to jail at this point, what they have done in the last 30 to 45 days. But nothing will happen. Trust me, nothing will happen, because all these people, they are friends they are all in friend circle. The people working for SEC, FINRA, everyone, they are all friends. They go to each other's house for coffee and dinner and everything. And that's why nothing will happen. No one will say, JP Morgan, that you manipulated the market, or Binance, you orchestrated the 10th of October crash. You are going to jail. Nothing will happen to these people. Okay, so let's move forward. We need to figure out how we are going to make money, how we are going to recoup the losses that we are sitting at right now. Okay, how we will come out in profit, because manipulation, nothing we can do practically. We cannot stop that. Okay, our aim is to bring our money back and make profit of the market. The only way is selling, short selling, no matter what. Make sure you get it tattooed on your arm that you will, rest of your life, either you will keep selling the calls, short every stock which has gone exponential, or you will die trying. There is no second option. Look what happened to MU right here at 400 and something. We say, hey, short this garbage. And a lot of people told me, no, this is a different stock. This is not Palantir. What happened to the different stock right here? You see that from 453 straight into 365, $100, 25% drop. What happened to SNDK? When you see this kind of vertical run, it doesn't matter how good the stock is, doesn't matter how low the PE ratio is. Only thing, you short the damn shit to the dust. Look at this one. A stock was at right here, went to the 724, right in this area. I call the short sell. It's 672. We shorted. I personally closed little early. Okay, that was a mistake. I should have not closed. Okay, but look at this one, 558. Another stock. which was that CVNA. Okay, this is where we started the shorting the garbage. Look at this one. So this stock was trading at right in this area. Every time you see a stock vertical, okay, this stock has gone from $3 to 486, and people were still hopefully, oh, you will go to 1,000. No, you will not go to 1,000. You will go to your graveyard. That's it, along with this CVNA. Retail investors are highly optimistic. Okay, highly optimistic. They're always optimistic. No matter what the market holds for them, they always think, oh, we have come from $3 to 486, and now for 486 we'll go to 800. That's the kind of idiots are there out in this world. Okay. Only thing, you short the damn market. Look at the ape from 572 to 385. We shorted this one practically every single day. We shorted and we made money on this one. Learn to short sell the market. There is no other survival in the market if you don't short sell the market. Okay, so move forward. Let's go to the NVDA right here. NVDA earning is coming. I'm expecting more likely the stock to go flat, very similar to the Google Uno card, bounce up, down, up, down. There is no major move because the market is in really bad shape right now. Okay, so what will happen? $5 to $7 upside, $5 to $7 downside, and then consolidate in the same area. Okay, so right here, if you are looking at overall, I was bullish for the stock to go to 208 area. Right now we are trading at the trend line. Okay, so the price will go to this area before the further drop. Right here there will be a little bit bounce upside. So if you pay attention right in this area, so what did I say? If the price will drop before the earning, if the price drop, then on the earning they will pump, and if it goes up around 208 before the earning, then they will tank. So what is happening right now? Before the earning, the price is dropping. Everyone knows the NVDA earning will be good. They will beat the revenue. The business is good. So what will happen? They will keep selling right at 200 EMA. They will pump the price into earning right here. And then eventually further few days down the line, again, it will sell off. So something like this one. There is no one-way direction for NVIDIA here. So right here. So what they will do, they'll pump into earning right here, something like this. And then long term, again, they will sell. Okay. So make sure you know that, because right here, we are in the bearish flag and this pattern will not sustain. This pattern is non-sustainable. There is no way this is going to sustain in any possible way. So this is where the price is going, right here and down here. And once we fail this area will be repeated again. This area right here. So from here, this area to this area will be the repetition of structure right from here and right from here. So this is what we are looking at. We'll bottom definitely after all these liquidity is taken. So this is the lowest point we have here, and then we have the liquidity in all these points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, point number 5. This is where the sell side liquidity is sitting. Okay, they will take down this point. Earning bounce and slow decline into 150 area, and then again upside. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. Okay, let's move forward. Rivian 1395, that was our price target. Price exactly dropped right in this area. If you look at 1395 to the penny, the price went to 1392 and bounced off. What we are looking at, we are bullish on Rivian. Doesn't matter if it sell off a little bit further. We are bullish from this point, and you should have a Rivian position. If you have a bull put spread before, double down your position. If you have a call spread, double down your position here. This is the stock that you need to double down now at $14. 1392 or 1395 was our price target. We are still there. Not much, like 20-cent difference. So this is the time to build your position on Rivian. This stock will save you. Okay, what we are looking at, we are looking for the price target 1935 precisely. From here, the price will go to 1935. And why 1935 is very similar. If you know where the chart is right at the closing opening of this candle right here. So this is what your price target, 1976. It will go pinpoint, precise to penny to 1976. The opening of this candle, which was opening was 1974. So 1974, 2 cents down. Okay. So 1974 is your opening of this candle. So right here, 1974 is the price target for Rivian. So make sure you have a position on this one. Moving forward to SMCI, we have a share which will be called away because we have a covered call for 6th of February, which is expiring tomorrow. And short put, we are waiting for recovery towards right in this area, $52. Hell of upside on SMCI, hell of upside on HIMS, hell of upside on Rivian, hell of upside on Hood, hell of upside. Most of the stock are in a buy zone now. Okay, because that's where the market should be. Market has lost 50 to 60%. Individual stock has lost over 60% now. Lot of stocks. Okay, again S&P 500 dropping right here. This is dropping in this channel and it's bouncing again and again. Okay, 679 market is open. All right, so let's look at the account first and then we'll come back to the chart and what we are going to do today. Bitcoin really need to hold 69K. That's it. This really should need to hold this point right here, because if we break 69, then damn shit there is no stop before 52 right here. Either it hold now and start bouncing towards the 98 point of control line right here, which is 97, like this one. Otherwise the whole crypto shit is in trouble right here, this point. So equal high of this one, V-shaped recovery. Otherwise the whole world is in trouble if it doesn't stop here. Okay, let's look at, it's coming back, a little bit of nice bounce here. Suddenly happened something just now. I don't know what happened. There's no news, nothing. Worst of the worst manipulation. I never seen this. Trust me, the COVID crash was less than this. Can you believe that? COVID, we lost approximately, I think, $8 trillion. So this correction, in last 2 weeks, we have lost over 17, 18 trillion. It's like double the, it's like a 2x worse than the, what do you call, what was that? The COVID crash. Okay, right here. Okay, 205 is 2265. Okay, if I close this one here, 205 over 2950. Come on, 205 plus 29.50. That gives me 234. Amazon. Let's check this. Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to adjust my trade and then we come back. Okay, right here, 215. If I do this, I guess $600 this. Okay, 210. This gives me, that's minus. Okay, we can do that. I can take $600 here. Those are ties. No, I can't do that. So guys, I can't do this. What can we do? Okay, if it goes down. Okay. What's the changes? Why Amazon is dropping under the trend line? If you're holding the trend line here, go to the smaller time frame. Do we see the recovery? Yes. Okay. Gap down 45. It was bearish. Delta volume was negative at this point, so it crashed. Okay, hold on. It's coming back right in this area, 1525. If I buy this, 1528, that's 215. Okay, order won't fill. Bloody, the price is going like crazy fluctuation on Amazon. 1540. No, 1528. Okay, order filled. Okay, let's see. Okay, this has brought in bloody damn $600. Okay, 597. Okay, now we need to play the game. $205 call, 224.60. Let's go here. What's going on? Okay, 224.79. It's bouncing off. We have a divergence. Okay. $82,000 and $82,900 running profit on coin, and trust me, I can't close it because I have so many trade right now. SMCI 450 short put, BMNR 30,000 share, MSTX is killing me, 25,000 share. So they have eaten up a lot of liquidity. My God, coin and Neo, the liquidity is oh shit. I have a lot of cash, but I don't have liquidity because it's all, it's called, when you have a short put, they block the money. Amazon. Shit. What will happen if I do this? Okay, that's all. All right, it's coming back. I need to bounce back a little bit towards 230 area. Fast enough. Okay, DVLT. Whoa, what happened to DVLT? Where the hell is this candle come from? Okay, change of character in single candle. What's going on here? Okay, HIMS 7% holding. Okay, good. We won't be selling the call until it comes back to 40. There is no point. $13.75. Order filled. Okay. So what will happen? So we'll make to 5. So 205 to 217.15, 217.5 minus 205. So 12.5 I'll make here, plus 13.90 I'll make here. That's plus 4. Okay, so cool. We'll hold this trade. Okay. Amazon bouncing off. Very good. Amazon is coming back. Let's look at other stock. What's going to Neo 474. Okay. Neo has started. Netflix. Look at this piece of shit. When everything is crashing, the least you expect the stock to behave, to perform, that stock will bounce. 399. Wix condition is very high. Okay. Wix has equal high. I think right here the market will recover because the Wix has hit the equal high area, and we have a spread candle right here. Death cross is about to appear, so the Wix is about to pull back into 19 area right here. So very next candle, the market should recover. S&P 500 right here, spread candle at the bottom, ultra high volume, stopping volume. The market should come back now. First price target will be 689.74, 690 area. So around an $8 by recovery, $7 because now it's 682. SoFi, SMCI dropped again. All right, so Amazon is bouncing. Okay. Wix is dropping, S&P is coming back exactly, so that's good. That's what we need. Market is coming back now. let's sell 2 more contract on extra contract on VIX. $91.2. Okay, do we have a trade somewhere building up? MSTR 120. Who could have believed this shit to go to 120, man? 319 was when the price price dropped from 555 to 319. It was like a gift, and look at the price now. Okay, HIMS is back. Li Auto is back. Very good. We are still not even we are still not at break even on Li Auto, but it's coming back. BMNR $20. What the hell? What is Ethereum doing right now? Look at this piece of shit. When the price was at $3,500, I told you 1900 is the bottom for Ethereum. Look at this one, 2038. And it was alerted for 1900. Right when the price was here, not here. Shit, we have come down a lot. It was at 3,500. Right at this point. Right at this point. Right at this point, around 9th of December, we knew it. The bottom is 1900. And we already hit 2038, this low. Shit. Entire 1 year gain has gone. The entire market. Look at this one. This was 9th of April, right here, right in this area. All gain for 2025 is vanished. Be it stock, be it crypto, be it Trump presidency, be it whatever. Everything is gone in last 1 year. Something is happening at 69. Suddenly the price bounced from 69,000. You see that? Right here. Precise 69 and the price bounced $1,300. Something is cooking here. SR interchange this point. What's the point? What's the point? All right, let's see if we have a trade somewhere, some new trade, man. We haven't taken a new trade for a couple of days. See that? Why we did not open the trade on this one at 126. Now Monday is at $100. Oh shit! It was trading at 316 in June this year. Oh boy! Oh boy! No matter how much you know in market, it's always short. You know. Okay. Even though the bloody damn falling wedge has failed. Earning is coming on 9th of February. I'll be taking a bullish trade on Monday on 9th of February because it's highly oversold. Right here, you see that? This is where it was oversold. Right into earning, oversold, and then bounce back. And this bounce was roughly from 167 to 290. That was approximately 20% bounce after that. Earning will be good, definitely. I don't doubt because the previous earning, all were green. Okay, look. So there's no reason for Monday earning to go down suddenly. This area will be taking a bullish trade for 9th of February. So 5, 6, 7, Monday, Tuesday, earning is coming. I will take a bullish trade on Monday. Monday will take a trade on Monday itself. So when is the 9th of February? 9th of February is your Monday. Oh, so we have to take a trade tomorrow. Monday pre-market is earning. Okay. So tomorrow, the Friday afternoon, we'll take the trade on Monday for sure on this one. $399. Tesla back to daily 200 EMA right here, and the closing of this candle body right here. You see that? This one right here, no, right here. So closing the body of this particular candle, 200 EMA, and the wick right here. So there is a real possibility for bounce right from this point, like within next candle. Proposal. Okay. This is how market frustrate people. Market does reward people for a longer, those who stay in the market, but this is how it frustrates them. Like, what the hell is going on? Why it's not moving up? Why I bought it and market is tanking? Like all these mindset thoughts, it will make them frustrate and see the account going down, and all right. So right here, volume down, not yet oversold here. Last it was oversold at this point. Okay. This portion should repeat. This portion right here, minimum, which will put us back into this area right here, 450 plus. The only stock you should focus on, Rivian right now. This is the area that you need to build your position. Whatever you want to buy, whatever is short put, whatever you want to do is focus on Rivian. That's your stock. It has come down to price. Exactly same situation. When it was at 13, I was screaming every single day, 1354, buy this, this will go to 24 plus, this will go to 24 plus. Again, it is same situation. Now it's at 13.95, $14. I'm again screaming every day. Rivian will go back to $19 to $20 once again. This is your time. Don't ask me later when the price goes to 18 plus. This is your time, Rivian. Here, right in this area, for weeks and weeks, I was screaming, buy Rivian, buy Rivian, buy Rivian, right here, this area. And we traded. A lot of people missed it. Not a lot, but few of you. Right at this point, we knew it will go to 13.95. We have reached the price target. This is the time to buy Rivian. This left side shoulder, you see here, right here, this is your price target, minimum. Right here. This one, 18.15, like minimum of the minimum. That's like 30% return here. Why SMCI crashed? What happened to this piece of shit today? Fair value gap, okay. $465. NIO had a good candle right here. Golden cross. Price zero volume up. Buy volume. Momentum candle right at 438 bounce. So everything works. We are looking at right in this area, 753. This high. So this is where the price is going. Circle, see, there are two things you need to understand, Circle, Dr. Frazion. It's a good stock, okay? It's not a bad company like other stock. Like sometimes you come across with companies, those who are not, not doing good. It's a good product, good company. They are the USDC, crypto USDC stable coin is the future. Nobody can deny that. Even if the Bitcoin is crashing, I'm still telling you crypto and stable coin are the future of this world, because the current monetary system is very old and they will replace it. Okay. But this stock, unless the Bitcoin start recovering, this piece of shit will not recover. That's the problem, because somehow the entire stock market has become an ecosystem of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin has penetrated in the stock market, and that's why we are facing all the challenges today. Initially, what was, when there was not enough Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin related companies listed as a stock company, the stock market was trading separate, Bitcoin was trading separate. They had no relevance to them. Now, all this, like company like Hood, company like Coin, company like Bull, company like Mara, Hive, Hut, okay. Then you have a company like MSTR, company like BMNR, okay. Then all the BITX, BITB, BITO, GBTC. So the crypto has penetrated the entire stock market, and that's the problem we are facing. And that's why when crypto sell, everything sell, because crypto has penetrated deep in the stock markets. Circle, then another stock, so everything has become based on crypto now. It's no longer the stock, the company and the product, and that era is gone. The companies like GME, they have nothing to do with the Bitcoin, but they have themselves exposed with the Bitcoin by listening to Michael Saylor. Okay, price is bouncing. This stock, you need to make sure. I've been alerted. I'm alerting again and again. $30 as soon as the price hit, they will have a convertible note offering. Okay, don't take it lightly. I given the information, that's why I'm repeating. Otherwise, it was only for Discord members. So $30 right at this point, they will have a convertible note offering. They're just waiting for the price to go up. That's it. All these Michael Burry and all this, those who are buying GameStop, they're all part of this game. Right here in this area. Convertible note, 6.1 billion is coming. How do I know? Don't tell me. Don't ask me. That's it. Same way I knew it, Lucid will do the reverse split. Same way I knew it, QuantumScape, SoFi will have a public offering. Same way I knew it, which other company was that? QuantumScape news came out for the battery testing, alerted in weeks in advance. Okay. So right here, I have Amazon spread. Make sure everyone has it. This is free money. Call spread. I'm telling you. Do not hesitate to take this trade. Even if the stock crashes, still you will make money on this one. And in this market, even if you make $500 is good. So 6th of February, sell the call for 210, buy for 200. And the premium is $8, and that will settle for $10. So you will make $2, which is 25% return in from now until tomorrow market close. So 200 and 210 contract, and you'll be good. If you have like 5 contract, $4,000 investment, and you'll end up making $1,000 tomorrow night. So make something. This is the IV value. 200, 210. Okay. This, check how to do this. Bunch. Amazon, 6th of February. I have 205, 427. Okay, right here. So we have. Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! I can't even look at this. $107,000 running profit on coin, and I can't take it. Damn shit. Because entire market has come down. If I close this put, bloody right away, I'll have a liquidity. Right away, I know that. I'm still having a lot of liquidity, but I don't want to kill it. Because if I kill the liquidity, I don't know then how the things can really go bad on a large account. SMCI dropped again. What's wrong with SMCI, man? What's wrong? Let's go share bank. Okay. Yesterday, I tried to be over smart with SMCI and I made a mistake. 3534, 353462. Yes, you need to get out of the. No, get out when they get out means exit your trade when they turn in profit. So right now we are holding our trade. So once the market start recovering, right now we are planning that how to we come out one by one. Because we can't close all the position right away. There is no way we can close. So we can't take a loss. We can't close the position. So we have to plan, like move one by one. That's the only way out. Okay. 147.75. Okay, at least right here. 71. This goes to 13th of February. Coin. What's wrong with you, coin? APLD. ASSD Baba right here. You see that Baba? Right here. I told you. BBI. Why this shit is going down? No matter how high this stock goes, it always come back to 952. CLSK, clean spot. Always 952. 952 here, up 952, up 952, up 952, up 952. It always comes back to 952. It's very same stock as Rivian. It always comes back to 1350. Shit. Look like a Christmas tree. Oh shit. Okay, what's going on? Core view right here. I told you it's an internal demand 109 and sell off. Now we are heading for 46. This shit will mark the bottom at 46. Mm-hmm. 5,000 drop on the Bitcoin. What the hell? Where does this drop just now? Oh, even 69 failed. Whoa. What the hell was that? Just $1,500 jump in between. I really don't understand how can someone keep selling and selling and selling and there is no short squeeze happening. And when people used to say there is no supply, like all these people, MSTR and all this, they used to say there is no supply for Bitcoin. Where the hell is this supply? Why it's not finishing up now? This is where this damn shit coming from. Do you see it coming right here? And we don't see the bottom here. Where is this pointing to? If MMC happened, this putting us at $62,000. Wow. Where is this demand, the supply coming from? Two candle. I think this is the one it's matching here. And then it came here, 80,000, went back to 90,000. Yeah. This area has been repeated precisely. Yeah. Right here, we are at this candle, spread candle, and one more candle. Yes, 100%. We are in repetition of this area. You have a spread candle, you have a spread candle on the top. You have a two green candle in center, you have two green candle in the center. Before that, you have a spread candle, you have a spread candle here. You have a price dropping, dropping, dropping. You have a hammer and a spread candle. You have a hammer and a spread candle right here. And then one more candle down. Okay. This is the area we are repeating. Bloody hell, that's where the manipulation started at 116. Exactly. So this has become the game right here. So from here to here, internal here. And then we have this. Oh boy. Painful to watch. What started eating Amazon now? Don't disappoint us, you piece of shit. Sell candles. I thought it would recover from here. Volume dried up. Okay. No sell volume here. Oh, the only best part about the arbitrage is, like, literally I'm right now on my long call, I'm $885 loss, but I'm exactly $800 profit on the short call. So it's only like $80 difference. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, what are you up to? How long will you stay oversold here? If it leaves the needed volume right here, it can bounce back to this point, 226. Okay. So let's watch this particular candle. If we leave this gap here, right, this much gap, perfect setup for the bullish. Okay, the price will take back to the high of this point right here. This gap should not fill. That's the only game here. Stop this shit here. Okay, 1390, $162. Let's take 1230. 1230. So that makes us $160. Okay, we'll take a 1230 here. Something is better than nothing. 119,000 on coin. My God. Oh shit. What if I close few contracts? No, getting the liquidation warning. What the hell? Can't do it, can't do it, can't do it. Can't do it. Let's get up, Andra. Come on, fill the order. Okay. Damn shit. Okay, 756, $800 closed. So this makes me 205, 29, 234, 220, 11, 231. If this goes, okay, that's cool. I'll end up making here 205 plus 29.50, 234 minus 220, $14 minus 11.50. So I'll lose about $300 on this, but I already closed 756. So 756 minus 300, net profit 456. Okay, fair enough. Amazon per contract. So I have here 8 into 800, 456. So 456 multiplied by 8, 3648. Okay, that will save us. Oh boy, coin, SMCI, HIMS, they're killing us. MSDR. I've never seen this brutal. I've seen like hundred of market manipulation and sell off. This is like ultimate. Okay, 228. Even the trading central says the Amazon should have not dropped below 228.11, and right now trading at $6 down from the current price. Okay, let's take a break a little bit. We can't keep looking at the screen. It's not good. Don't keep looking at the screen. Either you will end up buying or you will taking a wrong decision. Yesterday, whole day I was looking at the screen and I end up messing around my SMCI trade for no reason, just for no reason. Come on. At this point, okay. Amazon, $60. Not going to happen. Bloody hell, today itself the Amazon is like, the shit has gone down like 5% for no reason. Like Bitcoin is going down, BMNR is going down, bull is going down. I understand. What the hell is Amazon? Why this guy is going down for no reason? Outside of linear regression. Delta volume, all they were call buyer in this area. See that 233 majority, the delta volume was 56%, put was 44%, majority call buyer, and then boom, here you go. Oh boy. This hurts badly. Problem is we are not able to close anything. 125,000 running. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I never seen a days like this. Right now, $126,000 profit on coin put, and I can't close it. Damn. What the hell is wrong with the VIX industry by 677? Can you believe this piece of shit? Can you believe this? We shorted at 696 2 days back, 3 days back. So they will take it 66639. All right. And it's not going to stop. Look at this one. Right at this point, we shorted here, like equal high at this point. It looks like, never get the hell out of short position. You always hold it. It's never enough. When you feel like, oh, let me book profit on a short position, it has come down enough. It's never enough. You always hold your short position. $20 per share. Look, and we closed it for like we traded a couple of times, but like $1, $2 per share. Why? What's going on here? How can someone sell the market like this? I don't understand. Why the dead cat bounce is not happening, short squeeze is not happening. Like one way, like just keep selling. How much they can offload? If if I'm getting to a point where I'm worried about the liquidity, what will happen to the small account? Two, 5, 15, 11. Minus. Will Amazon hold this area 220? For God's sake, hold the 220, the before one. That's where we bought it before, right here. Okay, this liquidity is taken. This one is taken. This one is taken. And it should not go to this one because that's the ultimate low. Okay. No indicator, no parameters, nothing is working. Nothing is working. Someone from the big firm, like they wake up and they, okay, let's dump. Okay, $2 up, let's dump again. Literally, like someone is like opening the tab. What is Amazon? Okay, Hammer. Come on. Bounce, you piece of shit. What was the P ratio? I'm surprised if Amazon cannot state what are the chances for other stock. 30 P ratio. That's the cheapest stock in the market. 28 P ratio. See, there is something to learn right now. Every time, whenever you see the buy, so you see the ultimate low right here, ultimate low, higher low, higher low. So this point and this point will always be taken. Never buy unless these 2 points are taken. Okay, and look at this one, what happened. So this is gone, this is gone, this is gone, and we have a bounce here. You see the wick? Right here, the buyer is stepping in. That's how market works. Market always take down the previous low. No matter what stock you are trading, what crypto you are trading, they will always go for the previous low. And this shit is 155. Where is the stop? Where is the stop for this nonsense? Oh boy. Multiple low. 1, 2. Can you believe this? We are looking at a September 6 price right now. September 6, 2024. And then same price in April. And now again, same. So this was here. Almost 2-year gain is gone in coin. So before November 2023, yeah, I think the entire President Trump presidency, everything is gone. This area from November, February 24, yeah, everything is gone. Crypto president. We have a crypto president, huh? Shit. You can feel the tension from my voice, huh? Market is painful time. What a painful time. Resolve 219. Resolve, if it comes to 219, then I'll be buying it. Okay. That's what I'm waiting for. Resolve 219. So we are right at 232. Just waiting for previous low 219 right here. We'll be buying. So just about another 13 cent. Everything is damn oversold. Look at the RSI. I don't know how they can sell the market like this one. Amazon. Nosedive. Sell off. BMNR. RSI is eating dust. Bull. RSI is eating dust. Circle. RSI oversold. DVLT is holding a little bit. HIMS coming back from the oversold. Hood oversold. Can you believe the RSI bloody hell? 1714 RSI. Oh my god. I can't believe how much money we were making on this sell-off. We precisely knew it. Almost 80 days in advance, we knew it. We shorted the market, but we got out too early. Like we closed the trade too early. Literally, this was the time to make millions. coin, what you did. 248. The coin would have never gone below this candle, 233, if the Bitcoin did not sell. This candle was the confirmed buy candle here. Look at the ultra high volume, buy candle. Suddenly the volume drop, the candle engulfing. This was the perfect bullish setup right here. How can someone manipulate this much? I've got no idea. Like literally, the price would have stayed at 233, now trading at 155. That's like $80 on a 200. So 40% manipulation. What the hell? Market cap 2.6 trillion, 30 September, 2.4, 30 September 2024 to 60, 111. Let's show you. Amazon, Rivian, SMCI, these stock need to save us at this point, literally. What a time, what a time. $180 billion, 13% year-on-year. AWS remain the growth engine with $33 billion in quarter 3. Aggressive capacity expansion plan 2027. Quarter 4 2020 reported on 5th of February are expected to be $211 billion. EPS 197, 198. EPS performance forward guidance are as the key catalyst. EPS beat 0.39, 180 billion revenue, 241. Quarter 3 expected growth 17.9% again. So 200 billion. Current price 222, daily change minus 400 million. The cloud. Quick take 33 billion quarter revenue by 2027. Beat last quarter. Okay. No. Amazon earning is the only hope to save the market. Because if Amazon did not save the market, then until NVDA earning in like later next week, I think we have nothing until then. It's holding here. Come on, there is no reason for this shit to sell 5% right before the earning. %5 of 2.68 trillion means like 100 billion just wiped out from Amazon earning. 1.97 estimate, 211 billion estimate. Okay, 211. Support 170, 165, 170, resistance 180, 195. Valuation risk current price. I can buy the call spread. Believe the continued cloud momentum. Call covered strategy. Okay. Forward P ratio. Quarter 1 revenue guidance slightly below expectations. No, bhai, what are you doing? 200, 220, project Kepler subscription milestone, short term, wait for the pullback, 200 EMA. What is 200 EMA on Amazon? Yeah, the price is already at 200 EMA. Okay, entries on the 116 market occurs. Long Amazon high multiple AI earnings will return to me. Was put in the call the 1 week before the next immediate after the announcement. Continuing high percent plus earning risk, biggest risk, multi-year AI investment cycle. SMCI. 13th of February, 31. 31. That gives me 30, 71, 1. 32 is 81, 10. What have I done here? Realized gain. 3,000. And where is my SMCI call gone? 7, 320. Okay. So if I did 322 here, that was a messed up situation. Okay, 207. 31st of January 2026. What I did here, I sold it here, I bought it here. Hello? Look, we got the scammer call.
Contact Canada Post by press number 1.
Press number 1.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
And the call goes to India, and a scammer answered the call now. They have nothing to do. All right, what I did here, I sold the call for 170. I bought it here, so 322. After this transaction was on this date. Where is this coming from? 30th of January 26 SMCI. Okay, so 207. Any other call on the SMCI after that? No. Okay, so where is this coming from? Transaction history 27328. Okay, so I closed one SMCI call here, which I sold for 177, bought back for 70 cents. That gives me $107 here. Yes. This trade was on 5th of February. 5th of February. Today. Huh? Settlement date 5th of February. Okay. So this bring in $107. This call bring in another sell 147, 135, which is now, I think, yes. It's 135. Data vault and region. So 207 I closed here. So sold for 518, bought back for 311. Okay, 207 plus 107. 307. So this trade is almost equal here. Okay. All right, let's close this call. I'm just trying to manage my yesterday trade, which I messed up. Try to make more money, and then I sold the wrong call. All right, so this call I close. No. Come on, open. Margin USD, buy to close, covered. 9 contract. What's the premium here? Went. So 13th of February, 33, 13th of February, 33. That gives me back into 41 cent. Okay, so 9 contract buyback at 41 cent. 0.41. So payback 41. 5. Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, dear, stop it. They're selling after the earning, they're selling before the earning, they're selling. That's it. So they sold the Google on record-breaking revenue after the earning. So the record-breaking revenue here, 400 billion L1 revenue. Earning comes in, this sold it. Amazon, the earning is not out, they sold it before the earning. What the hell is going on? Shit. And the worst is when your payment gets stuck, you can't even like make more money out, like continue trading. Everything block you at the same time. Autofilled. All right. So we got 44, $147, $100 here. We got 200 plus 100 plus 100. So we got 207 plus 107 plus 41, 106. Okay, that's $420. All right. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see where is SMCI now. So let's see here. Okay, Neo call. SMCI. Okay, what do we do here? 3171. SMCI, 6th of February, 30. 3170, no, 3050, 31, not worth it. We have to go next week. Next week, 31. So giving us, that's 30 plus 110 again. Okay, so we can sell this for 88, $31 call. Okay. Damn shit. From 34 to 29.58, exactly 100% gain lost. What a moment, beautiful momentum candle. And you know why this price sold off the region here? I told you yesterday. This volume should not go high, this volume of this volume. You see, this was the momentum candle here. This was the momentum candle. This volume should have stayed down of this. So this was not a good sign. Divergence bullish. This volume needed to be like this. Like this. The volume need to stay low. If the high volume means people are trying to exit, they will pump, they will exit, then they will buy again in the same area, 29.60 area. Like they're doing pump and dump. 31.83. Okay, 88. We can sell this call now. 87 cent. Okay, 9 contract. Sell to open covered, 9 contract for 0.87 cent. $87 order filled. Oh, filled at 90. Wow. Amazon. I'm not even looking at any other stock today. Amazon is the only hope right now to make some few $1,000s tomorrow and save us from this bloodbath. Coin is killing us. MSTR literally killed us. MSTX, this piece of shit. I can't believe that. Why the hell in this world we bought this? The maxis are nowhere to be found now. Bitcoin maxi, new terms that Michael Saylor was trying to coin. Bitcoin maxi, Bitcoin minimalist, and all this. No one to be found anywhere. Yeah. What is it? Take break, go this video. Yeah, you are right, my friend. Everything is wrong about my pick. Do I owe you an explanation? No. Who the hell you are? The prospect. Two to 269. All right, here the bounce. Okay, you need to go back here. Precisely 2 to 6.29. So $4 recovery need to happen right away. Low volume breakout. Okay, we have a divergence here. Again, this spread candle here is not good, because if this candle close like this, next candle will be red. Whoa, 113. Wow. Every single day, 11 to 12% drop. My God, unbelievable. Now, if you look at, this is what the real problem is. What people don't understand. Now, the MSDR to go to the all-time high again here, which was 542, it has to go 500% up here. Okay. And based on the current price and the Bitcoin's price, even if the Bitcoin goes 400%, which is 600, and goes to 250,000, still the MSTR will not go back to all-time high, even if the Bitcoin goes 4x. That's the problem. Don't know what's going on. Yeah, there is no reason for SMCI to sell off here. Record-breaking revenue, it's just probably, I think it's just a overall market reaction. So there is no reason for SMCI to drop. If you look at on a daily time frame, that's where you will find it, what's going on. It will come back. This is not going anywhere. This has only one area to go, which is here, which is 52.71. But obviously, when everything is selling like 5, 6, 7, 8%, 10%, it's very difficult for one stock to outperform the entire market. $68 DVLT bouncing off 6%. Very good. These business model, I don't understand this nonsense what they did. So HIMS stopped promoting NVO medication or something like that right here, right when the price stock was around $60, $65 right here. They had no agreement. They canceled the agreement and everything, the shit they did right here. When the stock price crashed to 24, they have a back the agreement in place or start promoting their medicines. So why the hell you did all this? Why did you just crashed your own company? I don't understand which kind of management run the show. Today we have some news about HIMS. Okay, Amazon is coming back 2261. I think this will hold this level and then bounce into running around 232. That's it. But now what will happen? The problem now, even if the earning bounce, which we were looking for bullish bounce, only thing will recover this shit which they sold today, like 4 or 5% sell off. So it went flat because 5% drop, 5% recovery, and then shit is done. Hammer candle next again will be bullish. Circle bottom, very difficult to say unless the Bitcoin has a bottom. Circle has no bottom, my friend. These stock are really difficult, like Mara, like Bull, BMNR, and all this. Unless this shit stop dropping, look at the crypto on the screen. Look at this one: 8%, 8%, 9%, 9%, 10%. The crypto market cap is around 3 trillion. So just now, if you look at 300 billion has been wiped out. We are dealing with some of the worst time ever. 67. Look at this one. Even 69 is breached. How the hell do we expect any bottom here? This recovery was the perfect recovery right here. The price should have never gone down. This is all manipulation, bloody, from 98 to 68. That's like 30% manipulation. How the hell you save yourself from this? There was 100% delta bullish at this point. When I called the bottom at 81,000, clearly indication there is a zero sell pressure here. Again, 83% here. We bounced right from 81 on 21st November to 98. Instead of going to 108, the price went to 68. And in this candle, there is no consolidation. But we don't have any consolidation going on. It's a like one directional sell-off. We are going through some of the tough time historically. Like last 13, 14 years, I have not seen this kind of manipulation. I've been through the COVID. I've been through 2008, 2009 crash. I've seen a hell of things. I've seen 10th October. I've seen 2021 market sell-off, bear market after COVID pump. I've seen everything, but never seen like this one. Slow decline, yes, possible. I was expecting, but like this one, bloody like 90 degrees straight down right here, 98 to 68 in like 5-7 days, 30%. I got no idea who the hell is selling and how can someone sell the Bitcoin like this one. And the worst of the worst is the volume, sell volume is increasing. Look at this, the price is dropping. We'll have a reversal, but we don't know which candle is the reversal. Right now, the price is going exactly in one direction and volume is going in the same direction. Like sell volume is increasing and selling pressure is going down. Unless these candles stop coming. And we don't have VSA. We don't have spread candle. I was expecting this candle to stay. This was the spread candle after a lot of time. You see that this is where the buyer pushed the price back. And I'm literally fed up with this Bitcoin at least this point. Look at this one right here. This wick, this was the only candle I was hopeful. The volume drop from this candle to volume drop, spread candle. I was hoping, okay, we'll hold this 74 area, which was the previous low. Weekly 200 EMA. Okay. At this point, it looks like it's better to have not to have a crypto president. I'm honestly saying that the Sleepy Joe was better at this point. At least it was not moving. We knew it. The market is not moving anywhere. November, April, November. Right here, the Trump came in. November here somewhere. November here, yeah, right here. So his presidency is all vanished. Right from here. Break of structure, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, change of character, failed. I hope he loses the midterm election. Because otherwise this the tariff thing he has been playing, oh my God, it will kill the market. Every single day you wake up, I'll put 100% tariff on Canada. Next day I'll put tariff on China. Next day I'll put on Egypt. Even sometime I'll put tariff on Uganda. This thing is killing everyone now. 85. Hammer bounce back, but bloody equal selling pressure on Amazon. Can you believe this right here? Too much selling pressure. $391 Tesla. Okay. This shit will go to $300, $303.13. Right here at 500, I told you this will go to 303. Sorry, 313, and it will come here. We are a long way down on Amazon. Sorry, on Tesla. So let's stop the stream. There is nothing, there is no trade. It's all nonsense going on. We just have to hold our trade and wait. I'll be in the Discord. Keep watching Neo, Rivian, SMCI. These are the stock that you're looking at right now. Rest of the market, there's no point looking at. Monitor DVLT. If it break out, we exit our position. HIMS is coming back. Neo is coming back. So a little bit of hope here. Li Auto is coming back. So 5 of our trade are good. Neo, Netflix, HIMS, DVLT, and Li. They are coming back. Watching Amazon for earning. Wix long call is in profit. If you want to book the profit, you can book the profit right away. I'll stop the stream. I'll be in Discord. We'll keep looking at these stocks, especially monitoring Amazon, Li, Neo, and SPY. I don't think so. We'll short here. There's no point. We wanted a little bit of recovery in this. Every single day is marking lower low. Bloody. Perfect short 697, but damn, I regret closing it for $2. This is where we shorted. Hitting the support line on a 4-hour time frame. Let's see if this hold here and gives us a bounce back. The only thing which I'm not able to understand, how the hell the price keeps dropping. The stock is already 60% down. Most of the stock have gone 60% down, especially like Mara. Look at this one. This was trading at almost $30, $25, right here, $23. Now trading at $7. How low this shit can go? Like, where is the end? Hood from 150 to 75, 50% down. HIMS 60 to 25, 70 to 80% down. Like, where do they stop? Circle from 298 to 50. And looking at the upside, like 500%, the all-time high is never coming back, because Circle was 298 and now trading at 51. To go to 298, it has to go 600%. I don't think so that's ever happening again, because stock don't go 600% easily. It doesn't happen every day. So the market has been literally sitting at the bottom of the sea right now. Okay, we'll be in the Discord. I'll stop the stream. Let's see where we can come out. SMCI is bouncing back again.